How far my people, how far? How una dey now? They welcome you all to CryptoPidgin. Una know how they take the do am for this channel. For this channel, we will talk about crypto and everything wey related to crypto in pidgin English. As you can see, na our YouTube channel be this. Just go to YouTube, then search CryptoPidgin, then e go direct you to here. We get 1.2k subscriber and we get 15 videos for the channel, and we go still dey do more video to the channel so that we go dey tell una everything about crypto, how you fit take make money for crypto to in pidgin English. We get like 15 videos for here, and we don already, if you go to about us, we get like up to 11,000 views on our channel. That one tell you say we dey drop better update wey make people dey watch am. So if you never subscribe, just make sure say you click on the subscribe button so that you go subscribe. You go dey get update anytime wey we drop am for this channel. For today's video, we go talk about futures trading, and we go dey use Binance as crypto exchange wey we go dey use. If you don't know about crypto exchange, we drop video for this channel where we talk about crypto exchange and top 10 crypto exchange wey you fit dey use. You see am for this one wey I cycle like this, na top 10 crypto exchange in 2022 wey you fit use, but na Binance be number one wey I go advise you all say make you dey use. And again, if you don't know anything about futures trading, I go like make una watch this AMA section wey I host with person wey be guru for futures trading. Then we also get under this one wey you fit watch too for futures trading. So na our channel be this. No forget to subscribe so that we go drop update as e dey sup for crypto market. Today I go talk about futures trading, and wetin I go talk about no be say I go too expand for futures trading. I'll just tell you wetin you go dey do if they give you signal. You understand? So if they give you signal for any group wey you dey, just how you fit take the signal and the risk wey dey involved, na I go dey talk today. If you wan join signal group wey dey sure, I go drop the link for the description box, because for our signal group we dey make money well and we dey drop signal. We dey drop free signal, and if you wan join the VIP group wey signal go dey very sure, very sure. No be say the free one no dey sure, but e no dey consis ten t. We fit dey drop am once in a while, but for the VIP group we go dey drop am time to time. So if you wan join, you go still message me too, so that me and you go talk on how the matters take dey be. Let's say now say they give you signal like this. As they give you signal like this, wetin you fit do and wetin you no fit do, na I wan talk about like this. As you can see, the pair names wey be ING/USDT, short mean say you go sell and long mean say you go buy. So the leverage wey be 10x na the risk wey dey involved. The 10x means say the 10% of your capital wey you get. So if you get $100 for your account, 10x means say you go risk 10%. 10x means say you go risk 10% of your capital, which na $10. So if you get $50, 10x means say na $5 you go dey risk be that. So if you get $200, 10x means say na $20 you go dey use, as in you go dey risk for the trade wey you wan enter. So we give you entry. So the entry na 1.87 to 1.850 na the range be that. So all those other one na the take profit wey you go dey, na the take profit wey you fit hit, wey you dey comot. Now for this one we get like 5 TP 1 2 3 4 5 wey dey. So anyone wey hit, you fit just comot your money, or you fit still wait make you hit the last one. SL mean say where e fit reach, where you go know say the market don dey on a loss be that. So I go dey show una real practical wey dey. So I just go to my Binance account. So if you open your Binance like this, now wetin you go dey see be this. Now if you get money for your future wallet, you go just go straight to future, dey do your thing. But if you no get money for future wallet, wetin you fit do na two things wey dey involved. Number one, you go click on wallet wey dey like this. This wallet wey dey below, you go click on am. You go click on wallet. Once you click on wallet, you go see the balance wey you get. You go see the balance wey you get for here. Then if you no get anything, you fit you fit go straight to funding. This funding where they see, this funding where they up, you fit go to am. If you go to funding, once you click on funding, you go click on P2P. Once you click on P2P, then you will come here, come buy. Let's say this guy now, Kings McDaniel. So you go click on the name. You go put the amount of money where you want buy. You understand? Let's say you get 50k now where you want invest 50k on top the futures trade. You go just type 50,000. As you can see, the minimum where the guy they sell in crypto na 100,000. So we know if you buy this one if you get 50k. So we go just come back. You see all these limits where you see all these limits where they here now. All this limit, this one, and this one where they down. Now the limit where everybody they sell be that. This guy where they call 2k. Now 40,000 limit in they sell. So anything lesser than 40,000, you know if you buy from him be that. But if you don't get up to 40,000, if you just come to this side, flitter, this flitter side. You see this flitter side. Just click on flitter, then put the amount where you get. Let's say now 20k you get where you want to invest on. Where you want to invest on futures trade. Then you go just click on 20,000. Then you could click on OK. You click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, you can see all the people where they now see the limit na minimum of 20,000. Minimum of 20,000 you get. So you go just click on this guy. Just type your 20,000. Then once you click on 20,000, you go click on buy with 0 fee. So if you buy 20,000, that means the guy go give you 27 USDT. You understand? 27.36 USDT. Because the price where they sell na 713 naira 80 kobo na in they sell per USDT. So you go just go down. Click on make payment. So once you click on make payment, you go just see the guy account number here. You see the guy account number here, Abubakar Ibrahim Usman, the account number here. So once you don't pay into this account number, you go just click on transfer notice seller. You understand? So you go just click on transfer notice seller. The person go receive the alert and then go send you your 27.38 USDT where he be talked the other time. So I not go make the payment. I go just go back because I no want buy from him. I'll just click on cancel. Okay. I'll just confirm the cancellation. So once the person don't send you the USDT, you go see them for here. You go see your USDT where the guy sent for you for here. So once you don't see them, just click on transfer. If the thing don't show for here, just click on transfer. Then once you click on transfer. So once you click on transfer, you go see something like this. You get. So once you see something like this now, you go click on this BTC where they see. Click on BTC. Once you click on BTC, you go type USDT or you go see USDT for you. If you don't see, type them for up here. But if you see them, just click on it now. So once you click on them, it go show you for here. Wait till they come. It go show you for here how many USDT where they available. You get. So once you get the USDT available, your USDT where they available now amount where you buy. If na 20,000 you buy, you know how much it go be. So instead, just click on max. You see ba? So if you click on max, it go automatically write all the whole total available. If you click on max, it go write the whole amount of USDT where you get. You get ba? So as we see they go like this, once I click on max, you see say all the total available now you put for here. So you go just click on confirm. You understand? So once you click on confirm, the thing go send the USDT where they your funding wallet to spot wallet. You get? So once you confirm, you go back, then here go turn 0. Here go turn 0. Here go turn 0. So once here turn 0, you go come spot. You go click on spot. Once you click on spot, you go see your balance. You go see your balance go reflect for here. You go see the balance go reflect for here. Once the balance reflect for here, wetin you go do next now? May you click on transfer again. So once you click on transfer again, you go see say here. You go see say here dey spot wallet and here dey funding. You get? So for this funding now, you go click on this funding. Once you click on this funding, you go click on USD Futures Trading. USDM Futures Trading. Now you go click. Once you click on them, you dey see how it dey be. So you go click on here again, where they write BTC. You go click on them, type USDT. You understand? So once you type USDT, your balance for spot wallet go show for here. You go show for here, then you go click on max and click confirm. That's so it dey be. So once you click on confirm, that means say the money for spot wallet don dey futures wallet. So how it take be from the start be say you buy from P2P wey be funding, you transfer them to spot wallet, you transfer them from spot wallet to futures wallet. You understand? So that means say you don't get money for a futures wallet be that. So let me go show you how you fit dey take trade anytime wey they drop signal for you. So anytime when they drop signal for you, you go just come to this downside where they write features. You see my arrow where they write features. You go click on them. Once you click on them, it go load like this. You go see something like this. You get? So your balance where you get for futures wallet go dey here. So once it dey there, then you go know wetin they tell you say may you do. May I go back? Sorry. If you see this signal where they drop now, they say ING/USDT short. So you go come back to a futures trading. You go click on here. You see where the cycle now. You go click on them. If you click on them, then you go type wetin they ask, wetin be the name of that coin where you want buy. You go type ING USDT. So once you see them like this, you go click on them. Once you click on them, you go see say the name don't change to the ING USDT. Then once you dey like that, you go back again. You go back again. They say leverage 10x. So leverage 10x means say 10% of your capital now you want risk. You see here where they write cross 10x. Now there you go click. Once you click on them, 10x. Once you click on them, you go write 10x. It depends on what you go see for there. Sometimes if you see 100x, people they use 100x. If you type 100x, like now me, I know if you pass 100x, now only 25x I fit do. So just put on 10x. That is, you won't risk 10% of your capital. Click on confirm. You understand? So once you click on confirm, you go see limits here. Limits here now entry. They say entry now 1.877/1 1.850. You go check the market first. Here you fit check the market. Once you check the market here like this, you go know the current price. Anything where you go see go there between that number where they show you as entry. But just click on limit here. Click on the limit here, as in click on the arrow for this limit here. Once you click on then you go click market. Once you click on market, then wetin e mean be say na the current price wey dey here you go take trade direct, which dey okay. So you go only click on market when the price dey between the price wey they give you as entry. You understand? So the next thing wey you go do, you see this place where they write amount. This place where they write amount, you go write everything wey dey here for this amount. You get? So let me write 91. Let's say 91. Let's use 91. But if you come to here, you see say they say ing/USDT short. Short means sell, long mean buy. You understand? So once they write long for there, just know say na buy you dey buy. Once they write short, just know say na sell you dey sell. So since na short, we go click on sell here. So once we click on sell, let me say we dey short this thing be that. We dey short the market. So for here, we go write the amount wey dey available. We go write 91. You understand? So once we write 91, we will come back. For this take profit, you go write wetin they say make you write. For this stop loss, you go write wetin they say make you write. So if you check our own here, if you check the market for here, they say SL 2.0. You go just come write SL 2.0. Then take profit come. For the take profit, it plenty where it reach like 5. So maybe if you just use the middle one, which is 1.780. Once you write 1.780, so you go just click on short. Once you click on short, the market don't open be that. Now all be that. So once the market done short, you go see opening position here, which means say you go write 1. This open position where they see where write 2 means say I dey on 2 trade they go. Shey you get about, but you won't go just write 1. If na 2 trade you enter, you go write 2. If na 3, you go write 3. So now all be that. You go come position, come they see how the trade take they go. You understand? So as you see now, I dey on 2 trade they go. You get? So you go just, if they say make you close market, you go just come click on close position for the market where they say make you close. You understand? Once you close the position, let me say the market don't already close be that. So if you no still understand, you fit tell me, may I do another video we could talk about them in advanced way. Any question where you need to ask, just ask them for the comment box. I go answer you. If you want to join our Signal group, it's in the description box. Just join and you might go to get update where they drop for the channel. So now everything about futures trade be that. If you get question, just ask. I go answer you.